Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So, we're continuing our conversation on accounting terms that every business owner should know. A couple weeks ago, I had a conversation with a business owner who wanted to understand what her profit was. And she kept bringing up that word profit. I want to know, what is profit? Am I making money? And we've heard that term many, many times, but I think there is some confusion. So let's discuss what is profit. So, profit, in its simplest term, is just revenue minus expenses. That's all it is. It's a simple formula. Now, of course, in accounting, there's always the caveats. There's different types of gross profits. We have the gross profit, which is revenue minus cost of goods sold. And then we also have the operating profit, which is revenue minus cost of goods sold minus operating expenses. But for most small businesses, you may just say, you know what, net profit, net income. Pretty much it's the same thing, because if you're using an accounting software, it does the calculation for you. And you may ask yourself, well, why is it important? It's really important, particularly for large corporations that are actually on the stock market. And so their shareholders really focus on profit, because the profit says, okay, you know what, is there enough to actually share dividends? Is there enough amount? Is there enough available for shareholders to get a piece of the pie, as we would say? For small businesses, I would suggest you also focus on cash. Yes, look at your profit, but also you want to focus on cash. So profit is not the same as cash. A lot of times in business, particularly with small business owners, we get confused and think, okay, our profit looks great. However, when you look at the cash balance, it's pretty low. So, once again, profit is just revenue minus expenses. It is important to look at that, because you want to ensure that, okay, I'm putting in money to actually produce this product or service. Am I making a profit? However, really cash is important. You want to make sure that you have enough cash on hand for either working capital, paying those payroll, those fixed operating expenses. So once again, usually for large corporations, they're really focusing on profit. But of course, with small businesses, I think I sometimes call that you have to have a dual mindset. So you do want to focus on profit and also cash. So once again, profit just tells you, okay, if I produce a product, for $10 and I sell it for 5, am I making money? So you've actually lost $5. But however, always focus on cash. So I suggest for this week, you know what? Pull up your profit and loss statement and look at your operating profit for the last 3 months and ask yourself, okay, what's going on? What is the drivers? Did revenue increase? Did I spend more than I had to? Was there something that came out of the blue that we had to pay for, that where our gross profit was lower? So once again, it's still a number that you need to monitor, but also remember, cash is king. I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.